Dudley's side rods blurred and his wheels pounded the rails. Come on, he shouted. He flew past just in time.
Hello all, and welcome back to another Character Spotlight video. Today, this is going to be a pretty special one, because this character is made by the Buried Truck. So without any further ado, let me introduce Dudley. So yeah, here we have Dudley. I'm going to quickly hide this, because that'll be its own separate video. But yeah, here we have my custom-made Dudley, with a complete custom face that I made for him. So yeah, let's basically get into detail. I did the handrail silver, and the writing for the number, it was very small, which was pretty spot on, if I say so myself. The other side, he's a really simple engine. The LNER is what I wanted to do for him. I have seen different versions of the tender, but I didn't want to completely do a lot to him. He's more of a simple character that I wanted to make. Did the buffers different? Because clearly made it from a Gordon, and he works. But yeah, that's pretty much it for him. So the colors that I used for him is pure black, and the yellow I used as moon yellow. Then the white is just white. Titanium white. And pretty much mixed the colors for his face. And then that was pretty much it. But yeah, he was really simple to make. But yeah, I'm glad that I made him, because I have given my own take for him. Might as well tell you guys, while this is a very short video, if it isn't already. So, my own take for him is that he pretty much came to sort of the same way as the story tells him. But after, the first episode is done, then the second episode starts. That's where things to take a change. The engines notice a swift mood change in him towards Bear. And they stick up for him and pretty much told Dudley to get off him. And then after that episode, things go a bit more south, but not incredibly. Like, he will obviously have, the cannonball episode. And then after that, he changes. I don't know about a full color for him, but if I honestly had to choose, it would probably be, a dark color, maybe, maybe navy blue, maybe. Or, I don't know, but it would be a dark color at least. But yeah, it would be just a plain, simple, dark color. Maybe dark green, hunter green. But yeah. And then he pretty much changes from there. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this brand new character spotlight video, number 4. and I will catch you guys on the other side. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos just like this. I will be posting a lot more now since I am on vacation. Work just catches up to me really fast, and I just get tired in the evening, so I'm like, no. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.